Let's talk about one of the traits PDP measures called the pace trait. The higher your pace trait, the more patient and steady your rate of motion will be. You are good-natured and amicable, so you enjoy cooperation with those around you. Because you pursue harmonious surroundings, you might need to practice directly confronting others. But you also take time to understand the concerns and expectations of team members. Ultimately, your consistent and established pace makes you accomplish more than may be apparent to others. Let's look at a woman named Kelsey, who has pace as her highest trait. Being dependable and consistent, Kelsey is most productive in a stable environment. She sets up routines because she prefers a consistent and predictable pace. Kelsey digs deep into topics she needs to know about, and she enjoys improving herself through consistent repetition. She's excellent at mentoring and coaching, so others often ask her for advice. Her dedicated and conscientious approach and her desire to follow strong and confident leadership can significantly benefit a high-performing team. For more information about this or any other trait, check out pdpglobal.com.